In this tutorial, learn how to upload your own video to TikTok. Uploading and reposting videos onto TikTok is really easy. Select the app and you'll be brought to the Discover screen. Then select the plus button where you can upload videos or create content. Once you're here, you're going to select Upload on the bottom right. Then you'll have a gallery full of videos that you can select. After selecting my video, I'll have a few options. On the bottom of the screen, there is a track where you can shorten or lengthen the video. Speeds will be optional here, so you can either go at the slowest speed at 0.3 times or at the fastest speed, which would be 3 times. This makes the video go really fast and the speaking will be high-pitched and quick. I'm going to select the normal speed and then I'm going to trim the beginning and the end of the video. Once you're done editing the length and the speed of the video, you can hit Next. Go to the bottom and select Sounds. When you pick a sound or a song, you can connect with other videos. I picked this random one right here. Now it's overlaid on the video. If your video has sound, skip that last step. Now I'm going to add text. Here you can type anything you want using your keyboard. I'm going to type ACHA sample video. Be aware that if it's an acronym and you don't put any periods in between, it will just say it out loud if you do have the voiceover. I selected a color, I can make it bigger or smaller, and I can place it anywhere on the video. If you click on the text, you can select text to speech.
ACHA sample video.
When you play your video, it'll also play the speech as well. If you swipe to the right, you can have different filters on the video. This might bring a different lighting or a different hue. It's really up to you on how you customize your video with all the tools that TikTok provides. Although there are a bunch of options for you to create more with TikTok, we're going to keep it pretty simple with this tutorial on just uploading a video with minimal edits. After you hit Next, you'll be brought to the Post screen. Here you can type your caption, add hashtags, and tag people. I always suggest adding hashtags because it connects you with other interests in other videos. Adding hashtags related to the topic of your video or adding hashtags that are trending at the moment can really help boost your reach. Don't forget to select a cover. You can do so by selecting the button where it says Select Cover and then picking a part of your video that you think looks best as the cover photo of your video. Then you hit Post.
ACHA sample video.
And there you have it. Your video is uploaded to TikTok, ready to be watched. For more resources, tutorials, and trainings, please visit acha.org/CoVAC. Have an idea for a tutorial? Request a tutorial by emailing claudiatw@acha.org.